Install number 4 underpart bearing ring and install underpart bearing afterwards. Install underpart thrust bearing ring and install underpart thrust bearing. Put tilting pad from number 3 bearing into a hole to install and assemble anti-rotation pin and install underpart bearing. Put LPA underpart gland packing casing's packing segment ring into a hole to install. LP underpart diaphragm assembly. Push LPA underpart diaphragm's diaphragm packing segment ring into a hole. To install and install diaphragm carefully in regular sequence.